Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 9 is equal to 9, and we have to figure out the value of the x. First thing that comes to mind in this kind of question is to get rid of the square root as fast as possible. That way we don't need to deal with this weird form of the x. So let's do the square on each side, and if we do that, we'll have a plus b squared, which will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if we do that from the first expression here, we'll get x plus 2 times the square root of x minus 9 plus the square root of x minus 9 to the power 2, which will be x minus 9, and we know 9 squared is 81. So what we're going to get in here is that we know that when we have the square root of a times square root of b, this will be equal to square root of a times b, which is the case in here. And also we have 1x in here and 1x in here, so we'll end up with 2x plus 2 times, we're going to use that in here, x times x minus 9, and we're going to bring 9 to the other side of the equation, so minus 9 will be positive 9, 81 plus 9, which will be 90. So now we still have the square root, and if we do this times square root on each side, we see that we cannot get rid of this one, because when we do the 2ab part of the algebra formula in here, we'll end up with the square root again, so it makes sense to rearrange this equation before we do the power of 2 on each side. So let's see what else we can do. So let's do 2 to the x times x minus 9, and we bring the 2 to the 2x to the other side of the equation, so 90, and we have a positive sign in here, so the other side will be minus 2x, and we can divide each side by 2, and if we do that, we get square root of x times x minus 9 is equal to 90 divided by 2 is 45 minus 2x over 2, which will be x. And we can see if we do the squares on each side, now we can get rid of the square root that we have in here. So basically on the left side we'll end up with x times x minus 9 and no square root on the other side of the equation, which is great. So we have 45 squared minus 2 times 45 times x plus x squared. So we can see from the left side we have x times x, which is x squared minus 9x is equal to 45 squared minus 90x, so basically 2 times 45 plus x squared, so we can cancel out the x squared on each side, and we're going to bring the 90x to the left side, so we'll be positive 90x minus 9x is equal to 45 squared, which is basically 45 times 45. So on the left side we have 81x is equal to 45 times 45. 81 is 9 times 9. So we're going to divide it by 9 times 9. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So this will be cancelled out, and we know 45 divided by 9 is 5, and same in here. So we will end up with x is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25, and that would be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys find this one helpful. Again, it's very important when you are doing the squares on each side to get rid of the square root in this equation. So that's going to simplify a lot if you pick the right expression for doing the squares on each side. And yeah, that would be all. Let me know if you have any other solutions to solve this question, or feel free to put any questions that you have in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer those. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.